guys, just writing down some notes on my new iPad here. It looks pretty awesome. Have a look at it. It's pretty nice, right? But anyway, I was just thinking about, you guys and how you guys are doing a lot of research out there, which I definitely think it's good. You want to research, how to repair your credit or the best company out there to repair credit. But I was thinking to myself, like, why would someone repair credit? And I came up with like 3 reasons why you shouldn't. And if these reasons, fit you or suit you, then I would definitely never pay for credit repair. So there's like 3 reasons. I wrote them down here. I'm just gonna go over them right here. So the biggest reason, like the first one, is if you're broke. If you have no money, then you cannot realistically build your credit. You need to constantly invest your money into credit to build it, bottom line. You could pay a company to repair it, but like if you have no money to go back into it, like getting a secured card or unsecured card, you realize that you have to keep your credit card balances at a certain minimum, and that requires you to spend every month. And it doesn't make sense to just get one credit card and pay it off every month and not get more down the line, right? So most likely if you are making under $40,000 a year, let's do some quick calculations here. One, rent on average is $750 to $1,300, okay? Car payment, if you have a car, or a reliable car that you're paying a monthly payment on. If you have bad credit, your monthly car payment's gonna be like $228, $350, depending upon what car it is. Then the insurance for your car, like $128, depending on your driving record. And then your health insurance, and then gas, and then your food every month is $400 to $700. So yeah, if you don't have money saved up already, it doesn't really make sense to invest in credit repair, right? The first priority you should focus on is making money, because it requires money to build your credit first. So I'm not saying, don't repair your credit. I'm just saying get your priorities in line. And that's one of the, big reasons why a lot of you guys have bad credit. You did not get your priorities in line, right? So number 2, right? The second one, if you're in a rush, right? Applying for a mortgage, you're trying to get an apartment, you're going to get kicked out of a place and you want to, or your lease is about to expire, and then you're rushing to get your credit repaired so you can qualify for the next big place. Don't do that. Because what's probably going to happen, you realize most of the companies out there are month to month, monthly. There's a monthly fee to pay for the program, for the credit repair program. So most likely you're going to be disappointed by the results that you get, because these are month-to-month programs that you pay monthly for, and you're going to get results that may come 6 to 12 months down the line. So if you're in a rush to get an apartment and 1 month versus 6 months, it's not going to happen. And just spare yourself the stress and the peace of mind. The fourth one, right, is that most credit repair companies cannot repair your credit fast, right? And they're not going to get you the results that you need, right? So basically, all these top mainstream companies are just basically they're not giving you a customized dispute for your individual situation. There's no one that's going to physically look at your report on a weekly basis and make sure that these disputes are going well. They're just going to do basic disputes, and it's not going to go well for you. Now, I think that's 3 so far. Now, the fourth one is the big one, your habits, okay? If you have bad credit, it means you probably had the wrong habits, the wrong financial habits, which led you to, having bad credit. Like if you honestly know how to manage your credit and keep building it, you would have prevented. You see, credit is all about reducing risk, And what happens in life is life situations, like you get in a car accident, or your grandmother dies, or you have to pay for someone's funeral, or you lost a job because of COVID-19 or something like that. So that means you didn't take the proper steps to prepare yourself to prevent that. So there's the reasons why the rich get richer. Rich people have life situations happen to them too. Rich people have normal problems just like anybody else, but the reasons why they're able to keep on making money is because they prepare for the future. So I guarantee most of you guys that have bad credit now did not properly prepare, and you were overconfident, careless, or overly arrogant, and then that's where the mistake was made. So let's move it forward. Yeah, you could pay a credit bureau company to repair your credit 6 months, or you can join a fast track program, but repairing your credit is not going to repair or fix your bad habits necessarily. That's an inside job, all right? So those are the 3 reasons why you shouldn't repair your credit. You should never pay a company to repair your credit. If those reasons meet you, then definitely learn from this video, and I hope you don't make those mistakes. But it's not in my interest. It's not in the interest of my business to tell you this information, to share this information with you. But actually, it is, because I know I've been in this business long enough to know that there are plenty of people that will do whatever they can to change their habits and do the proper research and not, make the same mistakes before. So, if this video, if that's you that I'm talking to, and you seriously want to change, then go ahead and click the link below in the description. It'll take you to my site. Do some reading, do some more research at least. Like and subscribe to my channel. Just do some more research for it. I'm not asking you to sign up or anything. This is just to share some information with you. And if you truly want help, you know where to find us. With that being said, I'll see you guys later.